If you use a Sony Alpha camera, including models like the A7, A7II, A7III, A7IV, or A7V, and want to adjust the lens compensation feature, this guide will help. The lens compensation settings allows you to correct issues like shading, chromatic aberration, and distortion directly within the camera, ensuring your photos and videos look their best without requiring post-processing. Step 1. Access the camera menu. Press the menu button to open the settings menu. Navigate to the setting page quality/image size 2 and find the lens compensation option. Select it to view the available settings. Step 2. Adjust individual compensation settings. You will find the following adjustable settings. Shading compensation. Corrects vignetting by adjusting brightness in the corners of the image. Keeping it auto is best for you. Chromatic aberration compensation. Reduces color fringing caused by lens imperfections. You can also keep this auto. Distortion compensation. Corrects barrel or pincushion distortion. Use the control wheel or joystick to select the desired setting. Try to turn it off. After adjusting, press the menu button to exit. The selected settings will now apply automatically when taking photos or videos. By following these steps, you can effectively manage the lens compensation settings on your Sony Alpha camera, ensuring optimal image quality is tailored to your preferences. Let me know if this guide was helpful to you or if you have additional questions.